Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we are continuing our conversation on good habits to manage business finances. So, tip number 6 today is looking at financial reports. When I was starting my career early on, I would love to create reports, pivot tables, graphs, all that good stuff. And then I realized actually no one was actually looking at the data. So after a couple months, and even like for a year or so, I was like, wow, there's some reports like no one ever has any questions on, none of that. So I changed my approach. And so I got with the operations team and started to learn more about what they do and actually what they need. And so I went back and revamped those reports, and actually those reports were able to provide actually what they need. For small businesses and nonprofits, we have to realize the key to staying open is looking at the data. And we have to look at financial statements or other financial reports. We just can't rely on an accounting software or look at things at the end of the year. We have to continue to look at the data on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annual basis. These reports summarize the data in a very digestible way. It provides different viewpoints, different, I would say different views. So you can run a sales by customer report, those type of things that will be able, that you would be able to make business decisions. So here are a couple reports that you should be utilizing. Number one, looking at sales by customers, sales by product and services. This is very key because you want to know what product or service is making you money or what product is not. So those are very key. You also want to be looking at your accounts receivable report. So if you are utilizing your accounting software and you're inputting invoices, you can run an accounts receivable report that will tell you who owes you. So that way you don't have to go digging around in your emails or your Excel spreadsheet trying to figure that number out. You also want to look at your accounts payable report. That report tells you who you owe. So, what vendors do you owe? What bills are outstanding? Once again, if you enter all of your bills, even if they're automatic on auto pay, put those in your accounting software. Once you do that, you can run that accounts payable report. Most importantly, looking at a cash flow. Now, for this particular report, you'll have to probably create this in an Excel format. And what is basically just a very simple cash flow. What are you expecting to come in and what is expected to go out? So what's expected to come in? What revenue, where's the revenue sources, what customers, what products? Then what's going out, payroll, utilities, rent, and then you subtract those, subtract the difference. So look at your bank balance, your current bank balance, plus what you're expected to come in, minus what is expected to go out. So you can create that, create a simple spreadsheet for yourself. So that is very key. So not only looking at the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet, these reports are also very important because you can be proactive instead of reactive when things pop up or you get to the end of the month and realize you don't have enough cash. So if you're looking at these reports on a weekly, monthly basis, you can say, you know what, I need to change course. So make sure that you look at these reports. And if you have not looked at any of these reports, I challenge you this week to actually look at your sales by product or service report. That's very key because that all relates to revenue. So make sure you comment, like, or share, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.